Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to delete a savings goal in the Stash app in a clear and easy way. To delete a savings goal, first open your Stash app and log in. From the home screen, navigate to the Savings Goals section, which is usually found under your Account or Portfolio tab. Here, you'll see a list of all your active savings goals. Select the specific savings goal you want to delete by tapping on it. Once inside the savings goal details, look for the Options menu, which might be represented by 3 dots or a gear icon. Tap on it and then select the Delete or Remove option. You will likely be asked to confirm that you want to delete this goal, so confirm your choice. The app will then remove the savings goal from your list. Keep in mind that deleting a savings goal does not withdraw or move the money saved in that goal. You may need to manually transfer or reallocate those funds elsewhere in your account. Always check your balance and account settings after deleting a goal to ensure your money is where you want it. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.